Hello, in this video I'm gonna answer your question: how long does the battery last on ACER Predator 17? If you wanna learn how long does the battery last, it's around 4 hours when it's new. This may be disappointing for some, but you need to acknowledge that this laptop is a gaming laptop and it's not made to last on battery too long. Of course, the battery is quite big, but it's not too big also, and yeah, it's just not something that I would even take into consideration when buying a gaming laptop. It's made for using lots of power, so yeah, but this laptop, the model that I have is from 2017, so I don't really even unplug it from the charger because it will probably discharge itself in like 15 minutes, but it's very normal for gaming laptops. Yeah, that's about it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.